Hi loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel already. So the focus of today's video is my little or small room makeover. As you can tell by the title of today's video, this video has been requested countless times, like countless times, and it's finally here. I already had a record of this video, but I lost that video, so this is me doing it all over again. So I'm going to walk you guys through the full planning and shopping, decorating and setup process, the whole process, and to give you guys a little background story of how all this came about, me wanting to have a room makeover. Guys, I was so bored and tired of how my room looked at first. It was just too clustered and I had outgrown the way my room was. I never really liked it in the first place because pink has never been my favorite color. Like, pink has never been my color. I love nudes, but then pink is the only thing that, like, well, I like pink, don't get me wrong, I like pink, but for my room it was a no-no and I had just grown out of it, so I needed a little change. Yeah, so I wanted something new and different, so I'm sure you can see why I needed something new, because everything also dates back to like when I was in university, and I finished university 2 years ago, so you can imagine, like, you guys can understand why I had to do a room makeover. Got to a point that whenever I cleaned, I didn't feel like I had cleaned. I felt like it was just cosmetic, because at the end of the day it still looked the same to me. I wanted a higher bed than what I was used to. So yeah, I literally had to start visualizing how I wanted my room to look like, and yeah, here we are. Now I really like how my room looks. I'm very comfortable and at ease, because I feel like your bedroom should be your safe haven, sort of, because I do literally everything. Okay, I do almost everything in my bedroom. I film in my bedroom, I stay in my bedroom most of the time, I eat in my bedroom. Like, this is my safe haven, so I want it to be a place where I'm always at peace and I feel at ease whenever I'm in here. Do you get? Because I lacked funds to, you know, get some of the things I needed, I had to maintain certain things like my wardrobe, the mirror and the TV. Is there anything I'd like to change about the room? Yes, I have so many things that I would like to adjust, but for now I'm actually very content with how the room looks. So I did a lot of picturing and planning. Like I said, the planning process alone took like a year or more, to be honest, because at the time when I had this idea of really making my room or having a room makeover, I was doing my national service. It took the whole time I was doing my national service. As you can tell, I painted my wall white. It's not actually white, it's a shade of white, timeless, and I wanted my room to look cozy. If not cozy, just minimal, nothing much, nothing too serious, and very welcoming. So at the end of the day, that is what I aimed for and I got it. I also wanted my room to look way bigger than it looked before. As you can tell, my previous room looked way too small because the color was very like dark, and yeah, this color actually makes my room look way bigger. So I did a lot of thinking, guys. I really did a lot of thinking because I had to strategize and time shops and see when they were having sales, and it was also around the holidays. You get, there was Black Friday sales and then there was Christmas as well. So yeah, I took the advantage and got certain things that I needed during that time. I also got inspiration from Pinterest. Guys, Pinterest is like my baby. Pinterest. I go to Pinterest for everything. So when I got this idea, I just went straight to Pinterest and I got so many ideas. I also had a budget and I had a list, obviously, because I have to track whatever I'm buying to make sure I'm not buying more, to make sure that I'm buying the exact things that I needed. Now to the final part that you guys have been waiting for, the setup.
Yeah.
So for my lamps, I wanted like 2 mini lamps, obviously, for my bedside, which was a little bit hard to get because I searched all over and all the lamps I was seeing were bigger lamps, and I didn't want something big. I just wanted something cute that won't make a huge statement. I ended up getting one on sale at China Mall, and I think one was 80 cedis, and I got 2 of those. I got my plants from AliExpress. I got this particular one from AliExpress, and then the plant vase I got from China Mall. I also got this plant from China Mall as well. I wanted a huge plant to make a statement whenever I'm filming, like for my background, but the ones at China Mall were a bit too pricey for me, to be honest. The huge plants, not the small plants, the huge ones, they were a little bit too pricey. So when I saw this on AliExpress, I was like, let me get it. But AliExpress kind of tricked me because on AliExpress I saw it as a big plant, and then when it came, this is how it looked. But I feel like this is way better because you won't get this the same price at China Mall. You get, the vase was too short and I needed something to kind of bring the plant up to make it look like the plant was a bit huge. So that's what I did with the plant vase. I bought 2 and just attached them to each other, and it kind of gives a look, as you can tell. For my desk, I got my desk from Instagram, and I'm going to put the handle on the page somewhere. I needed a desk to, you know, edit my videos and all that for, I think, 200 cedis. It was also on sale. I got my hanger from Melcom, or my clothes rack, or whatever it's called. I got them from Melcom and it was also on sale. I think I got it for $2.50 or something. For the hanger, yeah, I actually wanted something white and I wasn't getting, like, the prices I was seeing on Instagram were outrageous. And when I saw this at Melcom, I was like, wow, this actually is kind of perfect because I don't have a place to put my bags. So like, it kind of made sense to just get it. And the price was really good. I got my blinds from China Mall, and as you can probably tell, my blinds are a bit smaller than the window. So the actual window size I measured is actually correct. But then whenever you are buying blinds, you're supposed to buy like an inch bigger than the actual window size, which was the mistake I made. So I went and got the exact window size for the blinds, and it ended up being a little bit smaller, but it still looks okay regardless. It's something I can deal with. It's not anything that needs to be changed. I got my double size bed from Ash Foam and it was on sale. You can find Ash Foam anywhere at any mall in Ghana. So it was a full set, and the full set included the mattress, included the bed itself, included the 2 side tables, 2 pillows, and it also included a bed sheet and pillowcases. So that is like the sets that I got, and I feel like it was a very good promo. So I got everything for 2K. Then my carpet, guys, my carpet, I got it from the house. It was somewhere, I was just passing by and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, no one is using this. and I feel like it will make a statement, and it actually makes a statement in my room. So I decided to use it. The mirrors, I got it from the hawkers who sell mirrors. I was trying to save money. So I didn't want to get like those expensive mirrors because it was just for this, like, and this is all I needed. It's exactly what I wanted, except for the fact that it's not realistic. The mirror is just not a real mirror. So yeah, this brings me to the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.